We are out in Galmington today to show you this 2-bedroom top floor apartment, beautifully decorated throughout with the option to be fully furnished. It has an allocated parking space and it's just a 10-minute walk from Musgrove Park Hospital. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.
Just put me back together and break me into pieces again.
So if you like the look of this property and you would like to arrange a viewing, or if you're a landlord with your own rental property and you'd like an up-to-date rental valuation, please get in touch.
Just put me back together.